Next in CSS, in animation part 2, we are going to replace one background image with another background image. So this is a basic HTML code, and this is our paragraph tag within body section. And here in head section, I'm giving style tag. And here within style tag, this is for our formatting for our paragraph element. Here we want that width to be 275 pixel, height to be 240 pixel, background image, we want to change one background image to another. So for that we have to select background image, and here we are giving URL, and my image is located in same folder, and name of that image is one.jpg. Save it and go live. So this is our image. Here we can change the width of image from 275 to 475. Save. So this is our image. Now here we are using animation, so we need to give animation name. Here we can choose any name. I have selected one. This animation is not going to work until we give animation duration. So here I'm giving animation duration of 5 seconds. Save. Now we have to use keyframes. And here we have selected animation name 1. So we have to put this name here, 1. And in this we want that some new background image should replace this background image. So we are using here from. In from section we have to give URL of this image. So background image, and here URL I'm giving is one dot within double quotes 1.jpg. So this is our current image, and now we want to change it to some other image. So we have to go to to section, and here background image. Here again we have to give URL. Within double quotes I'm giving 2.jpg. This is the name of my second image, which is in the same folder. Now here we have to set its width and height. Width I'm giving is 474 pixel, and height is 256 pixel. Save and go live. So this is our 1.jpg. It is replaced by 2.jpg. Now we want that there should be a delay. It should not start changing image immediately. So here we can give animation delay. Delay of 2 seconds. So it is going to wait for 2 seconds, and after that it is going to start changing image. Now we want that this process should continue. So for that we are giving here animation iteration count. Iteration count. If we write here 2, it is going to happen for 2 times. If we write here 5, it will iterate for 5 times. But if we write here infinite, then it is going to iterate for infinite number of times. With a delay of 2 seconds, it is going to change this image, and this changing will continue for infinite number of times.